Today we will learn distance between 2 points, derivation in 2 minutes. Let's start. Let's take the coordinate system xy and take the point A, x1, y1. What is the meaning of the point? It has the x1 distance from the y-axis and the y1 distance from the x-axis. Take another point, that is B, x2, y2, and it is also similarly x2 distance from the y-axis and y2 distance from the x-axis. Now we need to find the distance AB, right? Now we will draw a line parallel to the x-axis and y-axis from the point A and from the point B and make the intersection at the C. It is a right angle triangle, right? Now AC distance and BC distance, if you know from the Pythagoras, we can find the AB distance. First we will see AC distance. That is the total distance x2 minus x1, right? So AC distance is x2 minus x1. Okay. Similarly, we need to find the BC distance, right? So BC is total distance y2 minus y1, right? So BC is y2 minus y1. Now we use the Pythagoras theorem, that is AB square equal to AC square plus BC square, right? So now we know the AC from and BC, right? AC is x2 minus x1, BC is y2 minus y1, right? So AB is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. You need not to remember this formula, okay? You just need to form the right angle triangle and mark the x2 minus x1 distance there and y2 minus y1 distance there. Then we need to find the hypotenuse by using Pythagoras.